Hi, Lee Merman here. Today I'm standing on Sarasota's Bayfront. Behind me is O'Leary's Tiki Bar as well as the mooring field, both located directly on Sarasota Bay here at Island Park. I want to introduce you to Epoch Sarasota. It's an incredible ultra-luxury bespoke community. I'm going to talk about the floor plans, the layout, the amenities, and who is the right buyer for this incredible community. Join me as we take a look. Seward Development truly created something special when they developed Epoch here in Sarasota. They created something that has tremendous structural integrity as well as something that is visually stunning and should last multiple generations. It goes from floors 4 through 17. Floors 4 through 10 have two floor plans on them, the west exposure and northern exposure. And those have floor plans from 3,600 to 4,600 square feet, 3 bedrooms and 4 bedrooms, 3.5 and 4.5 bathrooms. Levels 11 through 17, you get the entire floor. These floor plans are 5,600 square feet inside and a total of 7,000 square feet, including all the balconies. It is a timeless piece of architecture that has bespoke living here on Sarasota Bay. When you're not mesmerized by the outstanding views looking outside of Epoch Sarasota, you're going to be living in the lap of luxury. This includes Gagano appliances, Dornbrock fixtures, Italian cabinetry, quartz countertops, wood or porcelain flooring, even Electrolux washers and dryers. While there's some pretty great amenities outside Epoch, including Selby Gardens and the Sarasota Recreational Trail, the developers have given the 23 residents inside the building some really unique features as part of the Residents Club. These include the fitness center, the steam showers, the massage suite, the 70-foot recreational lap pool, the rooftop terrace, which includes the fire tables, pool bar, and gas grill. Along with all of these, there's also 24-hour-a-day, 7-day-a-week on-site concierge in the Bayfront lobby. So who is the right buyer for Epoch Sarasota? It's those individuals looking for the distinction of having a Palm Avenue address, residential within downtown Sarasota. It has a great residential feel with lots of palms on Palm Avenue, of course, yet it's just moments away from the boutiques, cafes, and galleries of both Palm Avenue and the greater downtown Sarasota experience. It's for people that are looking for luxury inside, but also attention to detail when it comes to construction. It's those people that want the walkability of being able to go out one side and be in retail and the other side of having the waterfront at your footsteps. And finally, having attention to service with 24-hour-a-day, 7-day-a-week concierge available. These are the buyers who will find Epoch most desirable. And yet, with all of this, there's no pomp and circumstance. It's a demure experience here on Sarasota Bay. When purchasing real estate here in Sarasota, especially pre and new construction, we don't know what we don't know. We will work with you every step of the way. We know the legal, we understand contracts, we understand what incentives may be being offered by a developer at any given time. We know this segment of the market so well that we've written the essential guide to buying new construction here in Sarasota. Give me a call. I look forward to working together.